this is really turning into a nice investment. You know, the market's just getting hotter every day. You know, I figured I made easily 100 when I bought it, and then I said the 150. And now I'm starting to think I may make over 200,000 on the deal. There's a house called the Winchester Mystery House. You look it up. I was a kid when I was there, and I'm sure it's still there. And it's an attraction because the house is so off at angles and so many things are screwed up and weird. And so kind of like this house I just bought. So we're making some corrections. So we have to adjust this jamb that you see here. You can see the laser line in the background. Because, like I say, this thing's settled. It's not falling anymore. And I peered it all the way around to make sure that it doesn't go anymore. But I'm satisfied it hasn't dropped any in years. It's already fully settled. So I'm having to adjust a couple of jambs here. Just like 2 doors. And then pour the concrete to level out the floor on the inside. Also here, I poured a new slab out here, which actually reminds me of something. So this is, it's just too low. You can see what they did is when they did the overhang here, you know, they went like an extra 18 inches, which brings it closer to the ground. Then they started at that. The problem with that is when you're inside the house, it takes away your view of the yard. See, look at that. Now, if I was looking down into a valley, but you can see, look, here's my eyesight, here's my eye line, and you can see. You can't even see the top of the fence, right? You have to go down here to see the top of the fence. So this is coming out. So we went ahead and poured this. I may rebuild this, but what I'll do is I'll go up about 2 feet higher, and I'll make it just independent of the house. And you got to remember this yard fence is, remember, this is the one, that fence goes like another 45 feet back. This is an enormous lot. It's already pretty big, but it's much bigger than what you see. So in here, everything's poured. Filled up the sunken living room, kitchen here. Tore out all the cabinets, replaced all the drywall, played around a little bit with the soffits. And what else? You can see a lot of the patching's been done. If you remember the big old cracks in this place. I think I am going to go ahead and replace the windows. The house really doesn't have many windows, but this is really turning into a nice investment. You know, the market's just getting hotter every day. You know, I figured I made easily 100 when I bought it, then I said the 150. And now I'm starting to think I may make over 200,000 on the deal. And without much effort, to be honest, I mean, I'll probably put 30,000 inside here, but all in all, it'll be 200, maybe 270. Maybe 270,000 in. If I can sell it for 4.5, which is a real possibility. This will be a nice one for, you know, a month. Anyhow, I got another one that I'm remodeling too that I started after this one. And that one's well underway. That one's kind of neat. We're just rearranging the old cabinets and kind of opening it up a little bit. I haven't had time to be in the studio, and I got a lot of material, I got a lot of content I haven't shared with you, but I'm trying to share something with you while I can. So please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, helps the channel, and a lot of good stuff coming. And we'll talk to you later. FlipAnything USA. Hey, Tom here. Look, wholesalers, flippers, investors, listen, you want to get good guidance. You want to build a portfolio. This is what it really looks like to be a successful real estate investor. Been doing it for 4.5 decades, have hundreds of thousands of square feet of rentals, have students that have become millionaires in as little as 2 years. Go to FlipAnythingUSA.com. I'll show you how to do it.